Vali and welcome back to Mugdha Arts and Studio. In this session I'm going to show you Kubera Pattu sarees with beautiful and quality zari on complete sarees and border. Let me explain the saree I'm wearing on first. Here comes brighter shade of silver and pink on borders. So throughout the saree we have silver and golden mixed zari work on complete saree and on borders. So when it comes to border we have hot pink on border with beautiful zari shine of gold and silver. Just have a look at the complete saree. Beautiful pieces on mannequin too. Let's have a look at those sarees. Here comes the first piece on mannequin with neon green and red on borders. So we can see two different colors on borders, red and pink. So on complete saree we have golden zari shine with silver booties in between. So we have too many colored thread works here. So let me read out the colors present on this saree. So in the background we have neon green, and on top of that we have a floral design with neon green thread, rani pink, orange and green. So this is another shade of green. So if you look at the pleats, we have pink, same repeated colors, and a little big border of 13 inch is seen here. Let's have a look at the second piece with orange and hot pink on borders. So complete saree we have with silver in the background, and on top of that it's designed like a peacock feather with orange And on borders we have 13-inch of border with kadhi work followed by leaves. So here comes the third piece on mannequin with royal blue and chili red mixed color combination. So if you clearly look at the sari design, we have lotus floral booties on complete sari. We even have different flowers on this one. In the background we have leaf shaped motifs. So these lotus flowers are placed in checks. Here comes the final piece in mannequin with gold and orange. So all these saris are of Kubera Pattu saris with hot pink on borders. So on borders we have sunflowers with golden shine. So complete sari is mix of yellow and orange with gold. So we have many other saris with beautiful colors. Let's have a look at them. Here comes the first piece. So here we have another beautiful shade of pink with red on borders. So this is how the sari is. On complete sari we have triangular motifs filled with polka dots, and in between we have peacock booties with gold. In the background it's a mixture of pink and silver zari shine. When it comes to border, we have a brighter shade of tomato red on borders with kadhi work followed by peacock motifs. So this is a sari with a beautiful shine. So in this session we are having a discount of 10% on the MRP price of each and every sari I'm going to show you now. So let's see the pallu and blouse for this. This is how the pallu is. And here comes the blouse. We have a contrast red color blouse for this sari. So let's see the price of this. So the actual MRP is 5,000 rupees, and after 10% discount you will get this sari. This is the next one with parrot green and red on borders. So on complete sari we have peacocks designed in copper zari shine. So we have two different sizes of peacocks on this sari. Just look at it clearly so that you will get to know the work of Mugdha, art of Mugdha. On other side of the border we have with kadhi work and peacocks. So we are seeing too many peacocks on the saris with kadhi borders. Here comes the pallu with blouse. Price of the sari is 5,999, and on this MRP we are having a 10% of discount. So here comes another sari with yellow and red on borders. So if you look at the booty work, it's designed with silver and background of it is in gold. So this is a complete sari with pallu. And here comes the blouse with red and gold shine on it. Price of the sari is 5,999, and on this MRP we are having a 10% discount. So we have lavender here with leaf green. It's such a rare color combination, but yet it's so beautiful in life. complete sari, if you clearly look at the sari, in the background we have wild lavender color. On that we are having lines with golden zari and a beautiful shine of gold on complete sari. When it comes to border, other side we have ikat patola work in silver and gold on leaf green. So this is how the sari is, with a beautiful border, ikat patola border swans icharu ee sari meeda. Let's see the pallu and a beautifully decorated blouse with parrot green and silver. Let's see the price of the sari. So it costs 5,999 and we are having 10% discount on each and every sari in this session. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Here are the helpline numbers. In case if you have liked any sari which I have shown so far or in the background mannequin pieces, please do take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. Our team will help you and guide you in placing orders. So for every sari you have chosen, we have 10% discount on the MRP mentioned in this video. So hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. The sale is on and we have shipping all over the globe. So guys, hurry up, sale undi and chala fast ka sale ayipotayi sarees anni. I'm just alerting you guys. Let's see the rest of the collection. Here comes the next one with another yellow shade. So it's a dual shade of red and gold. It looks like yellow in the video, but in live it's a mix of red and gold. So in the background we have a lighter shade of red with gold on it, and on borders we have peacock booties. So look at the work on this sari. It's a bit differently designed. With pallu, and here comes the blouse, which is a self-colored blouse, but yet it's very beautifully designed. Price is 5,999 with a 10% discount on it. So in this session, all the sarees are in single range of rupees 5,999. So we are having discount of 10% on the MRP of 5,999. So guys, hurry up and look your sarees. Here comes the next piece, which is beautifully designed with florals. So in the background we have gold. Let me explain the sari color first, then we can go to booties. So we have gold with parrot green on borders, and on complete sari we have floral work with different colors. So let me first explain you the colors on this sari. We have parrot green, pink and sky blue with red. So Mugdha is offering a discount on these days till 22nd of August. Also when we are having Varalakshmi Vratam tomorrow, so guys, just purely on the basis of Varalakshmi Vratam and Shravan Masam, we are having a discount in these days in all our Mugdha stores. That's the reason I'm repeating this word after every single piece which I'm showing here. So there is 10% of discount on all the sarees in this session, and also I have shown many videos with a discount of this 10%. Hope you guys understood. So we are having a big sale in all our Mugdha stores. Price is 5,999 rupees only. Here comes another lavender shade with darker color of leaf green. So if you look at the booties here, it's a bit differently designed. With pallu. And here is the blouse with contrast parrot green on it. Price is 5,999 only. another red with golden shine. And we have mango motifs placed on complete sari with florals on borders. So this is very pretty in live with beautiful zari work. So we have dual zari work on this sari, both gold and silver. And here's the blouse. So price for this sari is 5,999 with a discount of 10% on MRP. So we have seen such pattern before with opposite color combination. So this is parrot green with violet on borders. And on complete sari we have golden zari shine in the background. And when it comes to border, we have peacocks in ikat pattern. So we have a shade of pink here, and on borders we have violet. This is a complete sari. It's a tri-colored sari with 3 different colors on it. This is a pallu, and here goes the blouse with a beautiful shade of pink. So this is how the blouse looks like. Price is 5,999 only. So here comes orange with red on borders. So in the background it's a mixture of orange with gold, and on that we have silver zari floral work on complete sari. And on other side we have a little bigger border of 11 inch. With pallu, and here is the blouse. So we have a contrast red colored blouse for orange colored sari. Price of this is 5,999 with a discount of 10% on MRP for each and every sari in this session. So this discount is purely based on Shravan Masam special only, and also we have Varalakshmi Ratham tomorrow. So wishing you all advanced Varalakshmi Puja. Here we have gold with red on borders. And on complete sari we have grape shaped booties filled with florals. Here is the pallu with blouse. Price for this is 5,999 only. So we are having very reasonable prices in this session. So guys, hurry up. Just look after each and every sari clearly. We have many different color combinations with the different shades. Here is one of the shade in green. So you can see 2 different shades here. One is with a parrot green, and other we have a darker shade of green with maroon on borders. This is a complete sari with pallu and red colored blouse. So this is the blouse. Price is 5,999 only. So let me show you the helpline numbers. Here we have. If at all you have liked any sari, do take a screenshot of that and share on this WhatsApp number shown here. For any inquiries or queries, you can reach out us on this number. Our team will help you and guide you in placing orders. Let's see the rest of the collection. So we have 2 beautifully designed shades of pink on this one. So we have seen such pattern in different colors. So the complete sari is with peacocks. This is a pallu with pink and baby pink on blouse. Price is 5,999 only. So we have silver and yellow for this sari. So it has got a unique design work. Just look at it carefully. So the prices of all the saris in this session are of 5,999, and also we are having 10% of discount on this MRP of 5,999. So guys, you have a reasonable budget friendly prices. Hurry up in placing orders. I could see so many comments asking for the price of the sari I'm wearing on. So even this sari is of similar price, 5,999 with a discount of 10% on MRP. Price is 5,999 for this sari. Here's the next one, where we have multiple colors on this. So the background is in red with golden shine. So we have red, green and gold mixed shades on this sari. When it comes to border, this is the first sari with this big border. So we have around 12-inch border for this in Rani pink, and on that we have silver zari shine with peacocks. Here is the sari with pallu. And here is the blouse. Price is 5,999. So for all the saris in this session are of same range, 5,999. Also you are getting 10% of discount on this price, 5,999. Here comes pink with red on borders. So it's a mixture of pink, silver and golden. So if you look at the border, we have a detailed work on the border with khadi zari work in the background. This is the pallu. And here comes the blouse. Price for this is 5,999 only. So we have hot pink with red on this one, with sunflowers pleased on complete sari and mango motifs. Continued with khadi work. With pallu. Here is the blouse, and price is 5,999 only. So we have gold with hot pink on this. So you can see two dual zari work on this sari with gold and silver, and on borders we have mango motifs. Pallu and blouse. Price is 5,999 only. So we have roses on this sari. Let me explain the color combination. We have leaf green with brinjal violet on borders. So it's very beautiful in live. Pallu, and here comes the blouse. Price for this is 5,999 only. So for order orders, you can contact us on these numbers. In case if you have liked any saree, please do take a screenshot of that and share that image on this WhatsApp number. Our team will help you and guide you in placing orders. So we have shipping throughout the globe from our Mugdha stores. So guys, hurry up and purchase your sarees. So regarding the price, so all the sarees in this session are of single price 5,999 only. Also you are having a discount of 10% on this MRP. So hurry up guys, let's see the rest of the collection. So we have royal blue with chili red on this saree. So on this complete saree, it's we have zari shine with silver. With pallu. And here's the blouse. Price is 5,999. So this is the first saree where we are having bird shaped motifs. So we have got birds on this one. Beautifully designed birds on this saree. And on other side of the border we have ikat design pattern with flowers and peacocks. So the saree color combination is with yellow on borders and copper sulphate blue on body. So we have other color on other side of the turning border with pink. So it's a tricolor saree with 3 beautiful colors. Here is the pallu with blouse. Price is 5,999. So this is gold with red shade. So in the background of the saree we are having gold with silver zari booties on it. Here is the pallu. With blouse. So here's the blouse. Price for this is 5,999 only. So let's see the next one, which is also a very pretty color with a brighter shade. So we have gold with violet on this, and we have got leaf shaped motifs spreaded on complete saree. Pallu and here is the blouse. So this is the blouse. Price of the saree is 5,999 only. So here we have red with gold again. So we are having too many golds with red, but the design on the saree is really unique. So just look carefully and proceed for orders. With pallu. And here is the blouse. It's a self-colored blouse with gold and red. Price, you might be knowing the price. It's 5,999 with a discount of 10% on it. So you can see blue color with violet on the saree. So on complete saree we have checks design, and filling is with peacocks. 2 peacocks are placed inside the checks. Here starts the pallu and blouse. Price is 5,999 only. So we have gold with pink on this one. So these flowers are in silver zari shine with a beautifully designed borders on two sides. With pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 5,999 only. Here comes another beautiful shade in parrot green with brick red on borders. On complete sari we have silver booty design. And on other side we have mango motifs with kadhi border work. So this is a complete look of the sari, very pretty in life with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 5,999 only. So here comes another shade in pink with parrot green on borders. So the design on this is very unique. Just have a look at it. We have two leaf shaped booties placed one on the other. Other side turning border we have a little big border with 13 inch. So this is a complete sari with pallu and a contrast green colored blouse. Price for this is 5,999 only. So we have gold with red again. So this is brighter shade of cherry red is here. So if you look at the design pattern here, it's a bit different when compared with the other saris. So here we have diagonally placed lines with dual zari floral booties in between. So these lines are of silver zari, and on borders we have kadhi work in between with mango booties on two sides. With pallu, and here goes the blouse. Price is 5,999 only. So we have a half white shade here with gold and silver on complete sari. This is the pallu, and here is the blouse. Price of this sari is 5,999. So we are done with showing the collection. So here are the helpline numbers. ఈ సెషన్లో చూపించిన సారీ మీకు ఏది నచ్చినా వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి అండ్ ఇక్కడ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. Our team will guide you and help you in placing orders. Regarding the payment, you can contact us on this number only. So we have a 10% discount on the MRP of 5,999. So the sarees shown in this session are of single range 5,999, and on that you are having a 10% discount. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. The sarees are very beautiful in live and very pretty. The shine is too good in live. So I'm repeating the sentence again and again. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. The sale is on. So we have our deliveries throughout the globe. International shipping is available from our Mukta stores. So that's it in this session. This is Wali signing off for the today, and see you all tomorrow. A very happy Varalakshmi Ratham to you all. So bye bye.